Hey Steve, this is Mark. I told you I was gonna make a little video for you so I could show you exactly what I did and created. Uh, because we couldn't get on Join Me and stuff. So I thought this would be the next best thing. So let me show you basically what it is. It's a form, simple form. I did some typing in just to get it, going so you wouldn't have to watch me type and everything. You know, kind of boring. So basically, you put in the company's name. For here, I put John Shutters, just any old random name. Website, johnshutter.com. You put in the number, you put the keywords in, and you put the city. You put whether they're paying or not. I'll say paying. Website, if it's ranked or not. This is paying for Google AdWords. Um, if the website's ranked or not, I say yes. Let's say yes. And I put let's see, 15 or 14. Um, okay, so basically, I'm gonna have to do some random. I'm gonna have to do some validation for this. Obviously, maybe capital letters. Uh, phone number validation, and first letter capital. So when I submit this, this will print out. This is some of the stuff I did the other day. But at the end, it'll print out, all the customer information. And what I plan to do with this information is probably create a database and maybe a script that will intake all the information and put it into the database. Uh, so basically, it does two things. Let me update. Yes. Okay. It creates a letter and then it created two text files. It creates the letter that I'm going to use, which will basically be copy and paste, and also create the customer info text file, which will give me all the information that I'll use later for creating the database. But here you can see the letter itself, shutters, takes the keyword shutters, city Fort Myers. Um, it says that you're paying a lot of money for Google pay per click, uh, and that you're ranked at 14, and other here Fort Myers keywords, Fort Myers shutters. I'm gonna have to fix that part right there. Make it formatted better. Shutters. Oops. Edit. Undo. I'm gonna have to format that a little bit, but basically you got the outline, and then basically copy and paste. You go right click, and then either send it to the email or their web form on their website. Uh, Let me show you the code a little bit. Maybe you might like to see it. Here's look. You can see there's the how it'll write it down in the customer info file. Customer code. Here's a code for it. So it basically takes in creates variables, and as I go down, it takes in from the text boxes into those variables. Puts what came from the text boxes into the variables. Creates two file names for the four different variations, whether it be uh, the four different combinations with the two possible situations, certain situations, whether they pay for the AdWords or not, yes or no, and whether they rank, yes or no. And out of those four possible combinations, I basically wrote four different letters. So, I mean, pretty much the similar, same thing, but it had to be a little bit revised in certain situations. So that's what I did. And then I wrote basically there you go with the certain situations and writing uh, the customer info to the other text file. And then I'm reading the text file and I'm outputting it to the list box. And I don't know whether that's a little bit unnecessary. We'll see. Time will go. I did it just so I could see what the output was. Uh, I might keep it. I might not. It's just like a prototype, and I'll figure out what's the best and the most fastest way of doing things. Also, you can see at the bottom, clearing all the text boxes except the keywords and the city. That way, I can type them in faster. Uh, and unchecking all the check boxes. So basically, that's it. I just wanted to show you, how it went and what it looked like, and I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you later. Thank you.